Imagine you are exploring the world of car engines, where most engines stand upright or tilt to one side. But there is a special type of engine, lying flat on the ground like a boxer about to enter the ring. That is the boxer engine, also known as the horizontally opposed piston engine. The boxer engine has two rows of cylinders facing each other, like two boxers standing in the ring, ready to throw powerful punches. When the engine starts, fuel and air combine and enter the cylinders. At this time, the pistons begin to move, like powerful punches being thrown. The piston presses the mixture together, then a spark ignites, causing the mixture to explode and push the piston back. This punch is not only powerful, but also precise, rotating the crankshaft and helping the car start rolling on the road. Because the boxer engine lies flat on the ground, the car's center of gravity is significantly lowered. This makes the car as steady as a seasoned boxer, especially when you accelerate or enter sharp corners. The natural balance of this engine is like the precise rhythm of a boxer, helping to minimize vibrations, giving a smooth driving feeling like gliding across the ring. In addition, the compact structure of the boxer engine is like the toned body of a professional boxer, not taking up too much space, but full of power and efficiency. Thanks to that, this engine brings outstanding performance, like a top boxer is always ready to face the challenge. But just like every boxer has its weaknesses, the boxer engine is no exception. With its complex structure, it requires higher production and maintenance costs. In addition, because the engine is horizontally positioned, the lubricating oil may not be evenly distributed, leading to problems with wear and aging of the engine. This can make repairs more expensive and complicated. Although not as popular as it once was, the boxer engine is still the choice of high-end cars such as the Subaru Forester and Porsche 911. Boxers are not only prominent on the streets, but also appear in small aircraft, such as the S220 with a range of 1,480 kilometers. Despite many challenges, the boxer engine always stands firm like a brave boxer. For those who love stability, power, and performance, the boxer engine is a reliable companion on every road. One day, when you have the means, owning a car with a boxer engine will be a great way to experience the feeling of being a boxer on the street.